Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start our exercise number 1D. Before in exercise 1A, 1B, and 1C, we just solved the simple quadratic equations. In 1A by completing square method, 1B by using the quadratic formula, and in 1C, graphically we solve the quadratic algebraic equations. And now we have to start today exercise number 1D. The topic of exercise number 1D is solving fractional equations that can be reduced to quadratic equations. That in the question, there will be the fractional equations will be given, and we have to reduce those fractional equation to the quadratic equation. And then after that, we have to solve the questions. So let's start with the question. 3x minus 1 is equal to 7 over x plus 4. This is the B part of the question number 1. As you can see, the right side is a fraction, but the left side, we don't have any fraction. It's written as 3x minus 1. So I'm going to rewrite the equation, which is 7 over x plus 4. This is fractional equation. Now, the rule is same as you are solving the simple fraction. So whenever we have one side fraction and one side without fraction, so what we are going to do that we can make the denominator 1 and we are going to do the cross multiplication. Yes, my dear students. So we will do the cross multiplication over here. 3x minus 1 is going to multiply with x plus 4 and 7 will be multiplied with 1. Now, after this step, what we have to do that we have to take the first value from the first bracket and multiply next whole bracket. Then second value from the first bracket and multiply with the next whole bracket. And this 7 ones are 7 will be same. What's the next full bracket? This is x plus 4. Here also it will be x plus 4. Now we have to simplify this. Take this 3x and multiply with inside both values, here 2 and here. Okay. 3x when multiplied with the x, it is going to be 3x square plus 4 3s are 12x plus minus minus x plus minus minus 4 equals to 7. Now you have to collect the like terms. It is going to be 3x square, 12x minus x, it will be plus 11x minus 4 is equal to 7. As you know that the quadratic equation standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we need to make it according to this quadratic equation. For that, we need the right side equal to 0. So how we can make the right side equal to 0? If I shift this 7 to this side, it will be 3x square plus 11x minus 4 and minus 7 is equal to 0. And my equation will be 3x square plus 11x minus 4 and minus 7 is going to be minus 11 equals to 0. I'm going to draw a line here and solving the rest of the part to this side. Look at this. Now, this is the reduced quadratic form, quadratic equation of the algebraic fraction. So how we are going to solve it, look at this. This is my equation. I'm going to rewrite over here. 3x square plus 11x minus 11 is equal to 0. I'm going to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula, as that is the more easy and the simple way. Here you can identify a will be the coefficient of the x square, which is 3 over here. B is a coefficient of x, which is 11, positive 11, and c is a constant, which is negative 11 here. Write down the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root of that divided by 2a. Substitute the values. X is equal to minus, this minus is formula's minus, b value is positive 11 plus minus b value is 11 square minus 4, a value is 3 and c value is negative 11. Substitute the values. and even substitute the value in the denominator too, which is 2 into 3. When we are going to solve this question, it will be minus 11 plus minus 11 square is 121. Minus and minus is plus. 4 3s are 12 and 12 multiplied by 11 is 132. 12 multiplied by 11 is 132. Square root of that divided by 3 2s are 6. Minus 11 plus minus, when we are going to plus 121 plus 132, the answer is coming 253. 253 square root of that divided by 6. After that, as we can take the square root of 253 over here, it will be minus 11 plus minus square root of 253 will be 15.91 after rounding off to 2 decimal place. 15.91 divided by 6. After this, because now we are getting the answer in single answer after the plus minus sign, so you can write it in this way, that either x is equal to negative 11 plus 15.91 over 6, or x is equal to negative 11 and negative 15.91 over 6. Simplify this answer. 15.91 minus 11 is going to be 4.91 divided by 6. My final answer here is 0.81. X is equal to 0.81. This is one answer of x. Move to the other side. Here we have x is equal to negative 15 and negative 11. Negative, we have 11 and then 15.91. When we are going to solve it, so this will be negative 26.91 over 6 divided by 6 if we are going to do. So we will get the answer here, negative 4.49. X is equal to negative 4.49. This is our second answer. These are the both values of x. I'm going to minimize. So you can see the whole question over here, that first of all, we reduce the fraction into the quadratic equation. When we get the quadratic equation here, this is our quadratic equation, 3x square plus 11x minus 11. After that, as I'm going to solve this question with the quadratic formula, so I just identify the ABC value, apply the quadratic formula, substitute the values, and you will get your final answer. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.